How to fix QuickBooks app not working. Well, the issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. It will land you on this homepage. Once you are in here, in the search bar, you have to search for QuickBook. Move into this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once you have the latest version of the app, now the next step you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone Storage. It will lead you to space. In here, search for the application QuickBooks. Once you find it, move into it. In here, you'll see the option of Offload App. Click on it. And then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. Well, it will remove all of the unwanted bugs from the app and make your application run smoothly. With the help of this, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, you can uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely fix the issue, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was a tutorial video on how to fix QuickBooks app not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.